So let's be honest, there's been times where you've scrolled through social media and you've seen where somebody else is in their business and where they are in life. You start seeing the awards, the flashy car, and doubt starts to creep in. And you start thinking, maybe I'm not made for this real estate business. So you start feeling sorry for yourself. But today, I want you to recognize the real problem is that you just don't have your own entrepreneurial's mantra. Welcome back, my friends, to this incredible community of agents who are on a specific and meaningful journey towards abundance. I'm Shayla Dean, and today we are going to take a monumental step towards unlocking an unlimited, yes, you heard that right, an unlimited life where time and money serve not as constraints, but as vessels propelling us towards our dreams. Now, if you're new here and you haven't yet joined our community of momentum-based agents, I want you to hit that subscribe button or ring the bell. You will not want to miss a moment of this incredible journey. So let's go ahead and dive into the heart of today's adventure. It marks the day that you are going to start developing your entrepreneurial mantra. It is the cornerstone of a financially robust business plan. So I want you to be sure to take some time and download the Excel resource that I have put in the description box. Now, if the thought of diving into your finances today sends a shiver down your spine, I want you to breathe easy because I'm going to break everything down into bite-sized digestible pieces. You won't even need an accounting degree to follow along. I just want you to have an open heart and a willing spirit. Everyone's financial journey, it's unique. And that honestly is the beauty of it. So today we are going to begin by identifying how much money is needed to sustain and enrich the life that you desire. So you may find where there's moments in this video that you need to pause and reflect and really engage with your finances. It may be empowering. And so maybe coming back and watching this video again and again until your plan is complete will be necessary. Embarking on this journey to financial freedom begins with a pivotal question. How much money do you need to fund the life that you yearn for? It is a question that really invites us to not just dream, but to really dream with intention. So together today, we are going to uncover that answer. So our first step is to really lay everything out on the table, figuratively and literally. I want you to grab that spreadsheet, have it pulled up, and let's start listing out some of these items. So the first tab across the bottom you will see is a personal budget item. You are going to list in the line item your expenses for household, debt services, health. It's going to have room for things like your savings, your retirement, your mortgage, your investment. I want you to list those expenses. And when you see across the bottom, you will see that that number is adding up. The second tab, it's going to be your business expenses. You will fill in areas like marketing, transportation, operational, licensing, and board dues. Again, you are going to see at the bottom those calculations adding up. So as we list every financial aspect of our lives, both personal and business, I don't want you to hold back because this is you creating a life canvas. This is where we are going to paint it with the colors of your dreams and aspirations. And remember that being specific is key because if it is not on your list, it should not show up on your bank account. Now the third tab, it's going to be what is going to get you out of bed in the mornings when you don't feel like it. This third tab is going to be the life aspirations tab. I'm so excited to share this with you. You're going to see on this sheet that you have three identifiers, a want, a desire, or a passion. So let's talk about the difference. A want is something that you are not really planning to take action or steps toward this year. It's something that maybe you look forward to in the future. A desire, it is something that you are willing to work towards if it's easy. So these things are really easier to spout off. Now the real one is the passions one. This is the one that's going to get your butt out of bed. It's the one where you are willing to do whatever it takes to reach this. Did you hear me? Whatever it takes. So after filling in these three key areas, you're going to see that there is a fourth tab. This fourth tab is going to be a calculation of all three of them. It is going to then calculate your entrepreneur's mantra. It is unacceptable for my business to earn less than X, and that number is going to be filled in for you. So today, I want you to purposefully recognize that you have funded the life in that number by design. And so by putting it on paper, you are choosing to live with intention. And this is what unique agents do. The typical agent, they just chase more money without a specific reason. They see an image of success and they chase it only to feel drained and realizing that they are living a life without meaning. They are chasing a number or an accolade to only be recognized and not be truly fulfilled. You see, abundance is having time and money for the life that you choose to live. Therefore, chasing for the sake of chasing is never ending. It needs to be something meaningful. And I don't know about you, but I want to live a life where I have money and the proper time invested in 3 key areas. After all, you and I, we only have one life to live. So shouldn't we want to make the most of it? Shouldn't we want it to be meaningful and specific? So as you become more comfortable with this exercise, I want you to let joy and excitement guide you. This process isn't just about numbers. It is about crafting a life brimming with passion and purpose. And trust me, your future self is already grateful for you taking the courage and the intention today to embark on this journey. So by taking these steps, by daring to ask and answer that big question, you're not just planning for financial freedom, you really are sculpting a future that echoes your deepest desires and highest aspirations. You live in a world of abundance, and it is time to claim your place in it. I want you to pause this video as many times as you need and embrace this exercise. And let's embark on this transformative journey together. And when you're ready to come back, because we have so much more to explore, I'll be here. Now it's onward, my friend. I am rooting for you.